Dear students, as you know that we are going to launch our premier program QEP for the upcoming year. In this context, I want all of you to make the informed choice. Hence, I would like all of you to get to know the teachers who will be taking the classes. I am inviting my colleague, Mr. Neeraj Bharadwaj. He will be taking care of your geography section. In a little conversation, a small conversation, I think you will be able to get the idea and the approach. So, welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Neeraj ji, I want that through this platform, you can just tell based on your experience about the trend in the geography and which are the challenges areas, and in this special program, what will be your approach so that the students will get a good command on the subject.
Yes, ma'am. The most important thing is that I always say this thing in the class that clearing prelims is always an art. It does not require too much effort. You need to be accurate, you need to be precise, you need to know that what you have to prepare. And from the vast syllabus that most of the subjects have, we need to find out that in a given area, if the focus is given appropriately, it is easy to clear exam. Geography is a subject which requires a very good command, means conceptual clarity is very important.
I think that's common in all.
In all. And if we divide mainly into two parts, that is the physical part where the world geography is and the Indian geography part is, especially the economic and human geography part. Economic and human geography part requires updation. Okay. Every time you need to find out, because the syllabus is big. So there you need to think that what updation has been done in the recent past by using the economic survey, by using the India yearbook. And here in this a new session, what we are going to start, in that we will be making entire focused effort, so that the students do not need to go through the volumes of the India yearbook and the economic survey, Yosna, Kurukshetra magazines.
And I think map is also an important
map is very important. Physical geography. Physical geography requires a lot of conceptual clarity, because questions in the recent past will see that, especially post 2014, so they are not asking one-liner questions.
Okay.
Fine, like simple, they are not asking that this particular volcano is located where. Now the time is there, they are asking that in the recent past, in this particular area, volcanism was there. Which of the following was factor responsible for it? Then beyond that, they are adding option 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 combination.
So difficulty
level is increasing,
and the demand is more conceptual.
Because
this is the trend we are seeing across the papers.
Yes.
Even in mains,
yes.
The reason a lot of philosophical questions, even in essay paper.
Yes.
Because this is where they don't want people just to have an information.
Yes.
And that is the problem, that people are not knowing what to prepare and in what manner to prepare.
Yes.
And every subject has its own special techniques and skills.
Yes.
So can you give them little bit idea into approximately how many classes we will be able to cover from prelims point of view?
The idea is there that here we will be giving around 6-day long classes, 0.5 to 6 days, and on daily basis it should be around 4 to 5 hours, and of course with break. And we are designing it in such a way that initially the entire syllabus is covered. Fine, means from the geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, of course with good emphasis on the conceptual part. And especially we will be tackling those things which are highly conceptual and where students struggle
so do you
to answer.
think that the students normally who have not done any classes, they will be able to match the pace.
Of course, because the idea is to cover everything while considering that the student who has not got the exposure means he has a simple study or NCRT he has done, but he has to write or he is willing to write this year exam, he will also be equally benefited. And those students who have prepared but they are unable to score,
They may not be knowing the
focus.
so they
Fine.
will be streamlined,
Yes,
and they
yes,
can check,
yes,
and they can further make their improvement in their
yes,
knowledge.
exactly.
So I believe that
And the mapping part, as you mentioned, the mapping part in these 5 days, we will cover almost entire, all the continent-wise, North America to
normally
South
when
America.
students come to me and they share their problem in geography,
Yes,
this is what they have mentioned.
yes,
That normally they have they have a fear of map
yes,
and
yes,
physical.
yes.
Physical is a concern.
And the day we do here in the classes, we will do a few examples like videos are available on our official Shubhra Ranjan IAS YouTube channel. So students can get access from there, how the memorization is done and how they get the clarity. So this will also give them some insight.
I believe you all have got the idea, and thank you, Engineer sir.
Thank you
So I
very much.
believe that the students will be benefited with your experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.